Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel app in easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape. Then select the erase color to back color red, adjust the shape, select a photo, adjust the photo, select another photo to back the photo, select the stroke, adjust the color white, select a photo, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.